Welcome to Aegis over IP console setup tutorial. Prior to login, let's select the operational language. Also make sure our CBS is connected. Once logged in, we may first create a project name. Each department may have different project. Each of them can be created here. By default, the console itself will first automatically search for devices linked. Let's follow the mouse and click the icon, where mouse is circling now. A window will pop up for user to create group. After name the group, we will have to tell our software the number of monitors that the TV wall was consists of. The case here is a 3x3 TV wall, which is a TV wall built of 9 monitors. The TV wall just created will show up at the bottom of the after the decoders, and select it, create scene, and follow the mouse icon moving up to click that screen scene at the top. In this way we will begin to create our screen layout. Here we name it Matrix, same as the screen layout we are going to create. Now the 3x3 TV wall layout had showed in the middle. All we need to do is just to drag the decoder at the left side and drop into each monitor showed in the middle. In the same vein, to just drag and drop the encoder at the right side to each monitor. Thus complete our matrix screen layout. Now each monitor have its own encoder and decoder connected. Let's play, click Apply button on the top. The screen layout we had set before begin to show on the 3x3 TV wall monitors. If you need to create other screen layout, click Create Scene at the toolbar up in the middle. Well, this time we are going to configure a video wall. Let's just name it according to what we are going to configure, and then we can see this layout show in one of the tab after click OK. To put it all on one big screen, first choose Select All in the right-click drop-down menu. Once again right-click to show the drop-down menu, and choose Combination, and give it a name. So the video wall was configured. However, we still have to tell our computer which transmitter source is going to be demonstrate by drag and drop. Okay, let's apply it. There you go. Alright, one more try. Let's change the input video sources. Awesome. For more information, please go to Aegis website by scan the QR code here. Thank you for watching it.
Aegis, connection together.